Hello everyone! Today I want to show you my new Multitool axe. Look at that. So it's a Multitool and an axe, or a Multitool axe. I don't know. The brand is Reesibi, probably. And there are plenty of things in this little box. Now, because all the videos I've watched on internet are showing you that the most important quality for a knife or an axe or a sword is to cut paper. I've got a piece of paper here, so let's do this. So we have an axe, screwdriver hole, saw knife, bottle opener, 3-sided steel file, okay, long nose pliers, standard pliers, what? 2 sets of pliers, that's awesome. A hammer, a slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, oh these are the bits I guess, yeah. Another slotted screwdriver, flint stone, whistle, wire cutter, boom. Let's dig in. There's more than that. So user manual. Yeah, you know what we're going to do with this. Oh yeah, these are protective caps for the axe. That's cool. So we have spare ones. One of them though is already useless. Have a bracelet here. Ooh, look at that. So I guess that's for the flint to throw some sparks so we can start a fire. I have a compass, which it's a bit slow. It's probably working, I don't know. So how do we do? Ah, it's here. Nothing's happening. Isn't that supposed to throw a spark or something? Oh, it doesn't. So we have a compass that kind of work. I'm seriously confused by this thing. No instructions for it. Well, I'll need your help here, guys. I don't know how to. I know how to use compass. I have no idea what is this thing for. I assume that this should throw sparks when you hit the other thing, but it's not happening. Is this removable? Nope. Let's focus on the Multitool. Okay. Good pouch there. Okay, let's see. Plastic wrapping. We don't need any more plastic wrappings, guys. Come on. Now, it's lubricated, which is good. So that's the axe. It looks sharp, but you know, the ultimate test for an axe is to cut paper. Yeah, it does cut paper. So it's a good axe because it cuts paper. Good start. The other thing that people are testing is shaving their arms and legs, but I'm not going to do this. So I have the axe, we have the hammer, there's the screwdriver hole, there's plenty of lube there. The screwdriver hole there. Alright, let's see, what else do we have? Oh, kicking the camera again. Let's refer to the manual. So, flintstone, where is that? Oh, is it this thing? Yep, boom. So I have the flintstone there. Okay, so that's how we open it. So these are the normal pliers and the wire cutter there. Where are the long nose pliers? That's ridiculous. So normal pliers are the standards ones are number 11. So this thing, the standard pliers, and these are the long nose ones. Well, good try, but that's not true. Anyway, so we have normal pliers. good. Got the flintstone there. Oh, look at this. What are these? Oh, these are the bits. Oh, okay. So normal 1, 2 Phillips head screws, and they're going in this hole here. You have a screwdriver. Not the most comfortable one, but still, that's good. Okay, they're well hidden. And quite stable in this little pocket here, so they're not going anywhere. That's nice. How do we put them back? Okay, just press. What else? Okay. So if we fold everything back, here we should have some knives and stuff. Okay, so here's the knife. Looking good. So, test. Yeah. If we believe the internet, that's a good knife because it cuts paper. Looks good. The black coating is probably going to disappear, but hey, come on. It's a cheap tool. Okay, let's fold it. What's that? That's the 3-way. It's not 3-way though. Come on, focus, phone. Wait. 3-sided steel file. Well, 3-sided. It's not a file. None here, so it's only here, and that's the bottom opener, but it's 2-sided file. And again, you can use this as a screwdriver at the top of it. Okay. What else do we have? So we saw the axe, the hammer, the screwdriver hole. Open method. Okay, that shows you how to get out the bits. We have the wire cutter, standard pliers, and long nose pliers, which are in the same place. We have the bottle opener, the saw knife, and the flintstone. Oh, a question, how to use the flintstone? With what? It's here. I have absolutely no idea how to use it. So maybe we should use this. Nothing is happening apart from scratching the surface of it. I can't see a single spark. Oh, I think I saw one. Yay, I saw a spark, but not a very big one, and it will take a while. Oh, I'm getting better at this. Boom. Okay, that works. I should stop now before setting the house on fire. So that works. And the little one, I'm afraid if I do this to the little one, it's going to destroy the things that are keeping the whole thing together. But we have this one, so that's good. Overall, guys, do you know what? I think I'm quite happy with this thing. Of course, I have to use it outside and do some real tests with it. But looks sturdy, nothing's wobbling. Oh, apart from the flintstone, but it looks good. The axe is sharp, the knife is sharp. I don't know for how long they'll stay sharp, but it has basic things. You have a hammer, you have a axe, knife, file. For some reason they always put this. The saw part of the saw knife is a bit hard to use, let's put it like this, because it's hidden here. So if you want to cut a big wok or something, it's going to be hard, but you have it, it's there. The pliers are good. There is not a massive gap when they're closed. There is some. Yeah. Okay, strike that. The pliers, so the top of the pliers is good, but when you close them there is a little bit of a gap, which is not so great. My camera is deciding not to focus today, but I can, yeah, there you go. Well, I think that's the design, because the gap is quite equal, and then on the top you have the bits without the gap, so let's call it the design, not the flow. And we have the wire cutter there with a little opening in the bottom for stripping wires. So yeah, could be useful. We have the screwdriver, which is, well, I guess it's a good place there. Yeah, nice tool. I'm happy with it. I'll link it down in the description as usual, so you can check it yourself. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And that will be it for this video, guys. Wow, that's 10 minutes already. Ridiculous. Well, if you're still here, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.